Welcome back, everyone. Here's a great example of a different kind of asset doing something else. This is MicroStrategy on a weekly. As you can see, we are bouncing off this 200 EMA, this purple line, and that is exactly where I would have been drawing my horizontal line of support right here. This is where I would like to enter. This is where I would manage my position. My stop loss for this immediately on a weekly level will be this right here. Going under here, I would be taking a stop loss and waiting to see if we find support on this EMA or not. Worst case scenario, this can tank down under, because right now the 21 is under the 55 EMA. The only way that I would want to say that the strength is evident on a weekly level is if the 21 cannot break under this 100 EMA and then start price being bought up with buy volume coming in on a weekly, and then 21 EMA recouping above the 55 and then pushing off. And as you can see in the past, it's done exactly that. It's lost the 21 EMA, bounced off the 55, consolidated sideways, up, down, and then broke out. So that's what we're kind of looking for around here. The only issue is we are under our previous low. So this could be the last high before this rolls right on over. So that's why we have the stop loss. If this price action comes lower than here, then we can assume that, hey, there's no reason why it can't get lower. So be very careful in this area. It's consolidating, it's trying to find a bottom, but it's going to wiggle a little. So don't be too fast to get your allocation. And this is on a weekly, okay? On a weekly, the bounce is in action right now. You know what? I'll even draw you guys a little trend line. As long as it can stay above this, that's a good thing. Price action wise, there you go. So we'll leave all three of these and follow up in the future. I'm gonna go to a daily. On the daily, I was talking about on a weekly that we want this 55 to come back above the 20. We want this 21 EMA. Apologize, above this 55 EMA. Okay, so now what's going on is the yellow line is getting above this green line. So this is showing you strength. Not only did it is it getting above, but price action already tested this 200 EMA line, and it's already coming back into the 21, lost it, and then it's going back into it. So this right here is what consolidation is. Wiggle. It's just wiggling, wiggling, wiggling. But the point of the matter is it's not making a new low. It has not gone under this green line that we have over here. We're going to turn this green line that we drew for a buy line a red, just to know that, hey, that's a warning that, hey, this might be going towards stop loss. So if it's going to our stop loss, let's just cut our position and wait and reacquire it later. I'm going to go to the 4 hour and just zoom in a little bit more. And right now, look, on the 4 hour, we have our 21 EMA, our 55 EMA, and our 100 EMA all consolidating at one point. So something's going to happen, guys. It's a matter of time, and more than likely, since it's bouncing off this line and did not even touch it, it might be upward momentum. And if it comes up, we want to start taking profits right away at 492 and then right at 525. Those are levels of areas that you want to start taking profits before shorters start reloading their shorts. So don't just hold the asset if it gets into this area thinking, oh, we're clear. Just shave some of your position, and then you can reacquire it on the retracement, and that's what this line is for. This red line is just to be aware of that the price can go up as high as it wants, but it can shoot back down to this line. As long as it doesn't break this line, that's a good thing. That's just showing that we're making higher lows. Show strength, that the buyers don't want the price getting too cheap. Alright guys, once again, don't forget, please leave a like, a subscribe, and press the button notification so that way you get the updates. And then if you have any comments, please leave them below, and I will get back to any requests I find later. Have a good one, guys. I'll get back to you in the morning before market opens for your Bitcoin update, and then I will also drop all these stock updates as well, so you can follow along before the market opens if we were right or wrong. Have a good one, guys. Be safe.